Today's topic for discussion is types of bacteria on the basis of its shape. Bacterial cells are of many different shapes, but three shapes are most common in bacteria. The spherical forms or coccus type. Number 2, the straight form of bacteria or rod-shaped bacteria or bacillus type, and curved rod or spirillum type of bacteria. They are slightly curved. Let us see the common bacteria. There are four forms of bacteria which are very common. Number 1, coccus or spherical shaped bacterium. Number 2, bacillus or rod shaped bacterium. Number 3, spirillum or corkscrew shaped bacterium. Vibrio or comma shaped bacterium. These four forms of bacteria are very common. Otherwise, there are many shapes of bacteria occur in environment. Let us see the types of coccus or spherical shaped form of bacteria. The cocci, these are oval or spherical shaped bacteria. When the bacterium, the coccus occurs a single cell, it is described as monococcus bacterium. When the cocci occurs in pair, that is described as diplococcus. When the spherical bacteria occur in chain form, they are described as streptococcus bacteria. When the spherical shaped bacteria occur in cluster or in a group, that are described as staphylococcus bacteria. When the spherical bacteria or cocci occurs in a group of 8 cells which is arranged in a cubical colony, they are described as Sarcina type of bacteria. Let us see another form of bacterium which is very common type of bacterium, that is bacillus. Bacillus, these are rod shaped bacteria. When a single rod shaped bacterium occurs, that is described as monobacillus. When there is a pair of rod shaped bacterium, it is described as diplobacillus. When there is a chain of rod shaped bacteria, it is described as streptobacillus. And one more, when the rod shaped bacteria or bacillus occurs in a cluster which are arranged in a form of grana, that group of bacteria, that is described as pellicide. Next, another type of bacterium, that is vibrios. These are comma shaped bacteria and these are called vibrios, and that derived the name from their characteristics, vibratory motility. They occur individually. And another, this bacterium, it is a helix. And another type of bacterium which is very commonly occur, that is spirillum form of bacteria or spirillum. These are helical or spiral shaped bacteria. Next, these are the filamentous bacteria. There are several bacteria which arrange one above the other, and a filamentous structure is formed as shown in the photograph. This is the Beggiota alba. It is a bacterium. Okay, it is a filamentous bacteria. Next, this is a pleomorphic bacteria. Example is Acetobacter. The pleomorphic bacteria change their shape in response to environmental conditions and nutrient availability. Such bacteria which changes their shape according to environmental factors, they are described as pleomorphic bacteria. And next, thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.